This is the original PBfit peanut butter powder. I love the taste of this stuff. This is the 1 pound, 14 ounce container. And just to give you an idea of the size of this, this is a 2 pound jug of the naked PB. So almost the same amount jammed into this smaller container. So this is a non-GMO, gluten-free item. Going through the nutrition facts. A serving of this is 2 tablespoons, and that's 60 calories on here. Looking at 2 total grams of fat, 6 total carbs, 2 of them are fiber, so that's good. There is 3 grams of sugar in here and 8 grams of protein. I love to put this stuff in my protein shakes twice a day. I'll just generally just use 1 scoop of it. You can see inside of here, it is just the perfect type of powder, assuming there's a scoop inside of there. Seals up real nice. Nice sized jug on here, and the taste is fantastic. If I just eat a teaspoon of this, and it's literally, in my opinion, it's just like eating a teaspoon of regular peanut butter. It is delicious. Here it is, PBfit peanut butter powder. I love this stuff. Came sealed too, just so you know.